is Diesel, my old Dominion Terrier. And yesterday I was gone for about 10 hours. I got home and he was very, very sick. Lethargic, drinking water, going outside, throwing up, drinking water, and just over and over again. Initially, I panicked a little bit and I thought, boy, are we gonna have to go to the vet for an emergency visit? And I was a little concerned because he had had a vaccination a couple days earlier. But luckily, I found a wrapper of some food he got into that he shouldn't have. So using my tools that I use with people, with Best Healing Solutions, you can also use those tools with animals. It works wonderfully. I just started muscle testing what's going on. And I found the food and I found the wrapper and I started muscle testing and clearing his organ, glands, and tissues of the product, and specifically the ingredients in the product that were challenging his body. I also tested that his liver and gallbladder were the most stressed glands and tissues, and I cleared them. And luckily, within about 3 to 4 hours, he was back to his normal self. This is just an example of how Best Healing Solutions works also for animals and not just people.